Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is BoxyCharm time, and this is for the month of October. We are super early. I was very excited to see that BoxyCharm had my box in the mail this early, so I said I gotta jump on it, do a video for you guys. The first thing that I see here inside of the box is my little cheat sheet card here. And the theme is alter ego. So if you've been following on Instagram, you saw all of that mysteriousness going on. Alter ego is the theme. As you all know, BoxyCharm is a $21 a month service. They've recently kicked off their Boxy Luxe boxes, which give you more products for a little bit more a month. So I'll leave all of the information down below. I am an affiliate with BoxyCharm, so if you do decide to join, please use my affiliate link. If not, that's fine too. Go straight to the site and check it out for yourself. We're gonna jump right into the products now. The first thing inside of the box is from Pur Cosmetics, and it comes inside of a box like this. It says that this is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. This elastic stretch technology and ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever, okay? And this retails for $24. So I know that, well, on the box it has some lady and her lashes look like fake and everything. It says that you're supposed to have like 96% more stretch to your lashes. And this is a huge mascara wand, very tall. My number one problem is sometimes going across to the other eye, you'll get that dot right there. But I do like the wand. So this looks like it's really gonna grip my lashes and pull them out. So I cannot wait to try that out. The next product is from Dermovia. I hope I'm saying that right. This is the Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. And they have steps on the back. Not sure if my camera will pick that up, but there are steps right along here on the back. So it says it's an intense exfoliating facial mask with a compression lace support. And this is like a two-piece mask, it looks like. Yeah, a two-lace mask. And one part is going to fit over the chin and loop around the ears. The other part is going to fit over the top of the face and loop around the ears. And you're also going to get, I can feel inside. I don't want to open it because I feel like once you open it, it's going to dry all out and everything. So I want to use this either on video or maybe on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. I'm at TheMindCatcher on all my social media. So that should be very interesting. And it's supposed to be all lacy and everything. And this is $30 for that one packet right there. The next thing I see inside of the box is the Pur Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade palette, and I love the packaging. It's a masquerade mask right there on the front, very pretty, and there are the colors there on the back. Let's open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. On the inside of the palette, it looks like you have two blush, two seems like highlight shades. They're gonna be highlight shades for me especially. I hope my lighting isn't tripping for you guys. Also, you have 6 eyeshadows here, and you have a slim little mirror. The pigmentation has always been nice in all of the palettes from Pur Cosmetics, so I'm sure it's going to be nice in this one. I'm going to try to open up the shadow side and give you some swatches of this teal blue shade. Is called Showtime. So that's what it looks like. Another shade here is called Mask Off. That's what that looks like. And I'll give you the pink in here. It says it's called Disguise. That's a beautiful pink shade right there at the bottom. So very nice shades. You also have a matte dark brown in the palette, so I'm loving that, because I always say if you don't give me a black in the palette, a matte black that I can use in the outer corner, at least give me a darker brown. So we're going to give that a try on the channel very soon. I think I might title the video BoxyCharm October makeup tutorial, something like that, so you guys will know and come on back and see what I come up with that palette. That palette retails for $38, so we're still doing pretty good, and I'm loving what we have so far. We also have a little Kat Von D in this month's palette. I think this is the first time I've ever seen Kat Von D in a BoxyCharm. I could be wrong, but I think so. This is the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. And that's what it looks like. And you guys know she's a tattoo artist. All of her packaging is always exquisite. Beautiful packaging. She makes sure everything is just like perfect. And this shade is called, oh, don't let me lie, I could barely see that. It's called Lolita. And you can see it's more of a neutral tone. What I would say is like a nude pink or dusty rose, something that's more universal. That's what they try to do. So let's get a swatch of Lolita. So I think with a nice brown liner on my skin tone, I think it'll be beautiful. If you're lighter than me, I think it's going to be gorgeous on your skin tone as well. So I think they did pretty good with that color choice. I'm not sure if other people will be receiving a different lipstick. Lipsticks are usually the things they switch out in different boxes, so we shall see. If you get a different color, let me know. I would have loved to have gotten like a deep vampy red or like a burgundy or something like that, since it's like Halloween time. That would have been nice. And the last product we have here in the box is from Farmacy Beauty. I have heard of them before, and I think they've been in BoxyCharm before. This is Green Clean. It says this is a cult favorite makeup cleansing balm that melts away even the boldest makeup looks. I'm definitely going to try that tonight because I have on a black smoky eye, so we're going to see how this works tonight. They said that this is ultra nourishing and it's supposed to be hydrating and soothing, so we're going to give this a try. This retails for $22. It's a green shade. You can see that I did touch it in the middle there, and it did like melt as soon as my finger touches it. It's like it turns into like it melts like butter right in your hand. And it has a nice pleasant scent. So that retails for $22. So overall, I am very, very happy with this month's box. It seems to me that closer to the holidays, the boxes get better from BoxyCharm. Last year, October, November, and December were very, very good. I think December was great. If I can't, actually, I'll link December, October, and November of last year down below in my description box, just in case you guys want to see. I think, if I'm not mistaken, they were some very good months. So I am very, very pleased. I mean, you can't go wrong with any of this stuff. The only thing I'm just like, what in the world is the charcoal mask? But it's something new, it's something fun, it's innovative. So I want to give it a try. It's at least going to be good for a picture, like a lace mask. That's going to be very nice for a picture, and it fits in perfectly with the Masquerade alter ego theme. So they did a very good job keeping with the theme. Leave down below what you think about the BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm does go around watching videos and things like that, so they might just read your comment. Let them know what you think, and that's it. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, on my social media. Also, if you love in-depth makeup tutorials and you like step-by-step long videos, come on over to Patreon. I'd love to have you. Cyber kisses. Bye.